Hey friends, if you want to know on how we can fix Ethernet connected but has no internet access, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's get quick into it. In the Windows search bar, type here settings. Click on this under the best match. Then here you need to click on the system. Look for troubleshoot. You'll find that here, click on this. Then in the list of troubleshoot options, click on other troubleshooters. Then you will find the network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So we are going to run the network troubleshooter. So just simply click on this run button. And once you run the network troubleshooter, most of your network issues will be fixed. So just simply click on this run button. That's for the first method. Second method is we need to open the device manager. Type here device manager. You will find that under the best match, so just simply click on that. Then here in the device manager, you need to look for the network adapters. This one right here, you'll find that under the monitors. Click on this. Then look for your Wi-Fi or your internet connection. Right click on that and then select properties. Here you have General Advanced Driver Details Events Resources tab. Click on the third tab, which is the driver tab. Then you need to click on Update Driver, this one. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then here you need to choose what works for you. So if the first one works for you, just click on that. Then click on Next. However, if the first one didn't work for you, then just simply go back to the same process and then click on the second option. So click on Next. Then here it will state that Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So you need to click on close. Then close this too. And then close the device manager. And then right click on your start button. And then click on shutdown or sign out. And then you need to restart your computer to apply the changes that you have made. Now for the third method, we need to open settings again. So type here settings. Click on that under the best match. Then you need to look for network and internet on the left pane. You will find that under Bluetooth and devices. Click on this. Scroll down a bit and you'll find proxy server for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. Click on this. Then here you need to look for the manual proxy setup. So click on this use a proxy server. Click on setup. And if this is enabled in your computer or in your Windows, then just simply switch this button off and then click on save and then close this. Then move on to the next method. We need to open device manager again. Type here device manager. Click on that under the best match. Then here in the device manager window, click on network adapters. Look for your Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi. Right click on that and then select disable device. Click on yes. And then wait for some time. And then right click again and then select enable device. And then close this. So if that worked for you, then good. But if not, then here's still another method. I have some commands right here. I have two commands right here. So we are going to run these two commands in the command prompt. So for that, we need to open the command prompt window. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Command prompt will appear under the best match. Then on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator, this one. Then we need to type the first command. So just please follow me. The first command is net sh space int space ip space reset. Just follow the first command, this one right here, the one that I have highlighted. And then once done, hit on enter. And then for the second command, netsh space winsock space reset. So let's type it here. Netsh or netsh space winsock space reset. And then hit on enter. Now, once this is done, it will state that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So just type here EXIT and then hit on enter. And once that is done, then just make a right click on the start button, click on shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, then your problem would surely be fixed. So, was this helpful? If yes, then please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.